Hello everyone, welcome back to my workshop. So on the last update that I'm working on the welding table, then the MIG machine trolley and the pegboard as well. So the pegboard is completed for now. So it's all functional. All the tools are on there and it's looking great. So I'm happy with the setup right now. And this is my work desk. In here you can see the project I'm working on and a small printer, then my CNC machine, and then there is the bamboo P1S 3D printer. Also this shelf all is used as some sort of storage right now. And here is my computer desk. I brought my home PC here because I need to work on heavy load. So that's why the laptop is not capable to complete all the task. And I'm using my PC in here. And for all the work related task, I can work on the uh, laptop in at home. So here is the sorry. Here is the welding table. So as you see, it's not perfect, but still it's functional and it can make my job done. So this is the very first time I built something. So it's not that pretty or professional as you can see the welding quality in here, but it's pretty rigid. And so that's how this made, and I will use it for all the fabrication. So from now, okay. And underneath the table you can see some sort of box. There is the cutter, and there is some box that I store my filaments, some of my resources in here. So that's the update for now, and I will start building things from this week or from next week. And I will share more and more updates, and there will be a new video incoming about this guy. This is the MOSFET switch that was a nightmare, and I finally assembled it. Still not tested it yet, but I will share a video of from the beginning of building this to this assemble. Then I will start testing it because this jig is only for testing it. So I will provide more details about this in the new video. So that's for all for now. Have a great time, guys. Peace.